attention. Look. Who is that? Who is that? Oh, you're a sweet bird. Kiss. Making me itch. Yeah. Who is that? Who is that? Who could that be? Okay. You being a good bird? Yeah? You gonna meet Aunt Susan today? Yeah, Aunt Susan is coming from New Jersey. Yeah, she wants to meet you. She wants to meet this famous bird. Yeah, she keeps saying. See? All right, we gotta get ready. I'm gonna go and do a couple things, and Aunt Susan will be here. Yeah. It's still about 90 degrees. It's like, I don't know, about 4 o'clock now, or almost 4, so she'll be real happy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right, say goodbye. Can you say goodbye? Goodbye. 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 Hi, Lucky. What are you doing? Oh, Lucky. You're a good boy, aren't you? You are. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody.